Welcome to Embodia. In this video, we will go on a brief tour of this all-in-one platform for rehab professionals. Embodia is a complete digital ecosystem that offers an easy way to book, chart, schedule, invoice, process payments, conduct tele-rehab appointments, prescribe home exercise programs, share outcome measures and questionnaires, monitor patient outcomes, and run your whole practice from one place. We also offer an extensive library of on-demand and live continuing education courses, as well as the option to host your own courses for internal team training and onboarding. My name is Natalia, and I'm Embodia's Customer Success Manager. I look forward to showing you how this single platform can help you save time, increase efficiency, and scale your business. Let's dive in. In today's video, we will focus on the practitioner experience. Let's have a look at the calendar. Adding a patient is easy. Click Add Patient, enter your patient's name, and optionally their email address, then click Add Patient. And you're done. In the main calendar, you will see what your week looks like, including appointments, classes, and breaks or vacations, which can all be color-coded based on your clinic's unique preference. There are multiple ways to book a patient, but I'll show you how to book one in from the calendar. Click on an empty time slot on your calendar where you would like to book your patient. In the New Consult tab, search for the patient you would like to book. You are now booking an appointment for this patient. You can either select to book the patient in from the list of services you offer, or use a clinical case created for the patient. Clinical cases are a great feature that makes booking patients easier and improves reporting and analytics. Let's book from a clinical case. As you can see, everything pre-populates for us based on the settings of this case, including which consult emails and consent forms are sent to the patient when you book them in. Click Submit, and your patient is all booked in. Easy. If the patient has an email on file, they will receive an email notifying them of the appointment. Now that our patient is all booked in, let's click on the booking to see all the things we can do. The first thing I want to show you are statuses. You can create any status you would like. We have set up arrived, no-show charge, no-show no fee, and late cancel. Statuses are used to make your life easier. Not only do they keep you organized, but they can be used to automatically generate an invoice. If you look under invoices, you'll see a 0. There are no invoices created for this appointment. I'll click on arrived, and now there is one draft invoice associated with this appointment. Let's look at that invoice. This is what an invoice on Embodia looks like. Your beautiful logo will appear on top. On the left, you will see the patient name, contact info, invoice number, and date. You can also add any additional notes. On the right, you will see your clinic info. You can choose to add additional information here if you like, such as a business tax number. In the middle, we have the service or item you are charging your patient for and its price. These can be services or products if your clinic sells products. Embodia can actually keep track of those products for you and notify you when you're running low. For any item on the invoice, you can click on the pencil icon to manually edit its price or service, or in a red trash bin to remove the item from the patient invoice. To email an invoice to a patient, click on Email Invoice. If you choose to accept credit card payments, your patient can pay their invoice securely via credit card from their patient portal. Last on invoices, let's talk payments. You can set up as many different payment methods as you like. This includes selling prepaid packages and accepting credit card payments directly.
If you're in Canada, you can bill insurers directly via our Direct TELUS eClaims and Green Shield integrations. And if you're in Ontario and see MVA patients, you can additionally use the HCI integration. These features integrate seamlessly with the Embodia billing features, resulting in significant time savings and less administrative hassle. If you're in the US and are a cash-based practice, you can generate and manage super bills.
That's it for billing. Still with me? Great. Let's exit out of the invoice and we'll find ourselves back in the calendar view, looking at the patient appointment we booked in together. Let's navigate back to the Details tab and click on the Go To icon at the bottom. From here, we can directly go to the patient consult page, patient profile, charting, and consult questionnaires. Let's look at what a patient profile looks like. Patient profile is where everything associated with this patient is located in one very convenient place. We have a general summary tab with patient information, and you can choose to display additional information here, such as emergency contact, doctor's information, or number of children. This can be done using patient properties, which I will show you later in this video. Along the top, you can see many other tabs, including active and completed exercise programs, as well as the ability to prescribe exercises, any charts for this patient, as well as the ability to create new chart entries, upcoming and completed consults, any clinical cases set up for this patient, and if the patient is on the wait list for any appointment slots. You can also share and view education. In the Progress tab, you will see a drop-down of questionnaire and outcome measure options. Under Billing, you can manage any credit cards on file, set up and manage insurance policies, and view invoices. You can also see any uninvoiced consults and generate multiple invoices at once. Let's go back to the Charting tab and get to know charting on Embodia. We do a lot of charting, and most of us aren't paid for it. So we want to save as much time as possible when charting and eliminate those repetitive tasks so that we can focus our energy on more important things. Let's first look at a sample chart. On Embodia, a patient chart is made up of chart items. Chart items are the basic building blocks of a patient chart. Each patient chart consists of one or more chart items. Let's create a new chart entry. Choose the date for your new chart entry and select a chart template if you're using one. What's a chart template? If you frequently use the same collection of chart items in your patient charts, you can group them together under a template and select it when creating a new chart to automatically include all its items in the chart. Let's choose a SOAP note template. Make the chart visible to or hidden from the patient. You can edit visibility later and make only some or no chart items visible to your patient. Check that the consent has been obtained from the patient and click Submit. At the top of the chart, you will see some standard information. Below that, you will see patient properties. Then, you will see the chart items such as the SOAP note and body chart. In the open text boxes, you can type, but you can also make use of personalized snippets to go faster. You can also pull up responses from previous chart entries and add additional chart items. If your clinic provides supervision for students, residents, or PTAs, you can enable the supervision feature on Embodia so that you can review and sign off on their charts. Now that we have the daily tasks out of the way, let's go a little bit more big picture. I'm going to show you patient properties and how powerful they can be. Patient properties are used to collect important information that does not change frequently, such as the patient's phone number, physician's name and phone number, referral source, etc. Patient properties can be different kinds of questions, such as free text or radio buttons. You can select if you want the property to show in the calendar, show in the patient chart, and show on patient invoices. You can also generate reports from patient properties. Next up, online booking. Patients can use your unique URL to find and book appointments and classes or submit a booking request. Online booking was designed to be flexible. You can select whether all, some, or none of your patients can book online, and which of your services can be booked online. You can also choose to enable booking requests, which is a simple contact form on your online booking portal that patients can use to request an appointment. You can customize your booking request form to ask for additional information using your patient properties. Once the booking request is sent, you will be notified by email. Another important feature is questionnaires, which is a general term used to describe outcome measures, intake forms, and satisfaction surveys. You can choose to use the templates available on Embodia, including a wide range of validated outcome measures, or you can create your own. When creating a questionnaire, you can choose to connect a question to a patient property. For example, this intake form has several patient properties, so that when the patient fills it out, this information will be populated where indicated, such as in their charts. Let's switch gears over to home exercise programs. Just like you likely aren't paid for charting, you're probably not paid for all the home exercise programs you create and share with your patients. We simplified this process. You can use the 2,000+ high-definition, diverse exercise videos and education on Embodia and share those with your patients. You can also create your own videos and education, or even record your patients in session performing the exercises. Patients receive their exercise programs in their secure, free Embodia portal, can mark exercises as complete, and can leave you notes and send messages using our secure, two-way messaging for increased compliance and improved therapeutic alliance. Embodia has a suite of reports that you can use to gain insight into your practice and find areas of improvement. Once you've identified the areas of improvement, you can now train your team. Embodia provides clinics and organizations with their own branded learning academy where you can host courses and track learning, making onboarding, professional development, and scaling your business easier. Courses can include any type of content, such as video, PDFs, interactive quizzes, surveys, and feedback forms. Last but not least, Embodia Academy, on-demand and live online continuing education designed for busy practitioners. 130+ courses are included in every membership on Embodia. Clinic managers can purchase courses on behalf of their staff, or staff can purchase their own. We have new courses added regularly, and many are free. Ready to get started? Our team is here to support you. We have import tools so that if you're moving from another system, you can easily import a wide range of data. Our team also provides one-on-one assistance, so getting started is a cinch. Free extensive training courses and guides are available to you and your team. Our support team loves to help, and we're quick to respond to all emails. This ends our brief tour of Embodia. There is much more to explore on the platform. Today, we only skimmed the surface of the functionality and power of the platform. If you'd like to learn more, you can schedule a one-on-one demo or email us at support@embodiaapp.com.